puzzle play activity, creative and fun. Shamy enjoys stacking circles and squares into tall towers. Ruby carefully assembles triangle pieces into little houses. Masy experiments with rectangles and diamonds, combining colors. Lucky happily creates creative paths from circles and squares. Puzzle play helps kids develop logical thinking, shape recognition, and hand-eye coordination naturally. Parents, do you want your child to boost creativity through fun puzzle play? Comment below to let Baby Shark know.